Hi guys, welcome back to Kit Car Direct and MK Sportscars. It's open day time, guys. The last one of the year, October the 1st, and we've had a decent turnout. The weather's been kind to us for the last one of the year, and we had quite a lot of people turning up in cars, as well as customers coming to have a look around in here. So we'll start off inside. What we've got going on, we've got the Exo Booster, that's up for sale, guys. If you're looking for a supercharged car, 280 brake horsepower, mental fast. Obviously the Cup car is in here. We've got the development that we're doing on the Honda K20 Turbo. We've got the Westfield Turbo, Mazda one. We've got the M&R, Mazda Turbo. We've got one that's arrived from Italy, the Striker project. We've also got the car that we're going to be doing a feature on, which is the Duratec engine, 260 brake horsepower with a Mazda gearbox. Got the MAN Rush, this is back in now, ready to get the final bits for IVA done. We've got a few cars over here. We've got the cars going in for IVA, Justin's car. We've got the Striker, we've got a little Fireblade car, and we've got the demo car. So we've got quite a bit going on in here for people to have a look at a different variety of car engines, bike engines, etc. Now we're going to see what's turned up outside. Right, outside we've got the bacon rolls, thanks to Charlotte, courtesy of her, and tea and coffee inside going on. So if you do head online, we try and feed you as well as put the liquid inside it, but cars are more important. Got a Z-Tech car, it's relatively new build, nice car, seats actually in that, and a very nice AIM dashboard. That's a nice colour. Dave's turned up in his booster car here. I do believe this is a supercharged S2000, if I remember rightly. Been redone up, really cool little car. Got Dave, if you'd subscribed years ago, we actually put this through an IVA for Dave, a little Dax Rush with a higher booster in it, Gen 1. Really nice little car actually, only local, kicks its head in. Got another Caterham, little Lotus over there, another Caterham over there, and then we got a Dax, I think Cobra over here as well. It's turned up. We got, recognise that car, guys? We put the Gix 1000 in it for him. Well, it's all running. He just drove up all the way from Margate in that with a bike engine car. So fair play to him. It's a great little project for him. Got a nice Dax Cobra and another Caterham, the K20 and the F20C over there, the S2000 engine. And we got a more plethora of Caterhams over here that's turned up as well. Everything from the CSRs, the wide bodies to the S3 chassis as well. All nice cars. I do like the colour actually. That is nice actually. Yeah, you can see how much difference, guys. Look at the difference in the CSR. Look at the width for the body and the bonnet to the standard S3. If Lewis does a front-on shot with the CSR and then do the S3, you see the difference in the width for the cars. And we're kind of in between. We always get this question, can I fit in one of your cars? Well, Caterham's, if you're about my size in a S3 chassis, I can just about fit in. You go to CSR, plenty of room, but our cars, 6'6", 6'8", not a problem at all. They fit in lovely. So yeah, a lot going on, but we'll see who else turns up. Right, that's it guys from another open day and another one for MK Sportscars. Last one of the year. It's been an awesome event as always. We appreciate all you customers turning up here and your support. Next year we'll be throwing in again some more events, more track days and other things that was going on. Or in the meantime, if you want to come down and visit us at the factory here, you're more than welcome. So that's it guys. I want to say like, share, subscribe and we will catch you next time.